Giant Tech Alert. Get ready for a seismic shift in your understanding as we break down the revolutionary technology behind today's most powerful monster machines. From earth-shaking bulldozers to cutting-edge engineering marvels, this is the ultimate heavy equipment deep dive. Are you ready? The Nameg Scissors Grab is a heavy-duty bulk material handler designed for high-efficiency port operations, weighing 4,000. 785 pounds and boasting a 150 square foot capacity. It plays a crucial role at the port of Corpus Christi, Texas, integrated into the Lure LPS 550 crane. It excels at unloading barges and ships, significantly improving loading and unloading times. Built for durability and maximum productivity. This grab system accelerates logistics operations, ensuring seamless bulk material transfer. Its robust design minimizes downtime, making it an essential asset in global shipping and transportation. Before skiers and snowboarders hit the slopes, the Bombardier Snow Groomer is hard at work, ensuring perfectly prepared trails. This powerful machine compacts snow efficiently, creating smooth, even surfaces for a better riding experience. Equipped with precision grooving attachments, it clears away debris and maintains the integrity of trails. Whether handling fresh snowfall or icy conditions, it ensures a safe and enjoyable winter adventure. A vital tool for ski resorts and snow parks. This machine works behind the scenes to make every run flawless. Without it, those pristine, packed trails wouldn't exist. Transforming waste management. The mobile shredder trailer combines transport and shredding in one powerful system. Featuring dual rotating mechanisms, it efficiently processes up to 1,000 763 pounds of material per load, breaking down garden waste, furniture, and construction debris. This machine streamlines on-site disposal, reducing waste volume while enhancing recycling efforts. Its reinforced design withstands heavy-duty applications, making it an indispensable tool for forestry, construction, and industrial cleanup. By converting large debris into manageable pieces, it optimizes efficiency and promotes environmentally responsible waste management. Experience cutting-edge snow removal with HLA snowplows, designed for maximum efficiency and power. These advanced plows are built to clear roads quickly. Even in extreme winter conditions. With durable blades and hydraulic control systems, they break through thick snow with ease. The latest models showcase innovative technology that enhances precision, making road maintenance safer and more effective. Whether for municipal use or private contractors, HLA snowplows transform the challenges of winter weather into a streamlined operation. Keeping highways, streets, and driveways clear has never been this efficient. The Ligong 990F excavator is built for high performance, offering unmatched power and durability on demanding job sites. With a digging force of 496 kilonewtons, it outperforms many competitors in its class. Designed to handle extreme workloads, it features a sealed cab to protect operators from dust, noise, and harsh weather conditions. Automatic climate control ensures comfort during long work hours, whether in mining, construction, or large-scale excavation. The Ligong 990F is engineered for superior productivity and operator convenience, making it a valuable asset for heavy-duty operations. When heavy snow blankets airport runways, the Overossen TV1000 steps in to restore operations. This Norwegian-engineered giant is the world's largest auger snowplow, built for clearing vast amounts of snow in record time. With the ability to move 12,000 tons of snow per hour and throw it up to 54 yards away. It ensures flights can resume without delay. Designed to withstand extreme conditions, this machine keeps major transportation hubs running smoothly. Its power and precision make it an essential tool for winter airport management. The class Syrian 3300 VC Octopus is a high-performance multitasking machine designed to handle the toughest agricultural and construction jobs. Its 180 degrees rotating cab provides unmatched visibility and control, allowing operators to easily adjust their position for various tasks. Equipped with a powerful engine and precision attachments, this tractor excels in land leveling, ditch maintenance, and large-scale soil preparation. Whether clearing obstacles, stabilizing terrain, or maneuvering in tight spaces, the Syrian 3300 VC is built for maximum efficiency. Its robust hydraulics and versatile applications make it a must-have for professionals seeking power, adaptability, and precision in their work. The Bailhack HB1000 100S is a high-performance rotary snowplow built to keep railway tracks clear even in the toughest winter conditions. Designed to remove up to 10,000 tons of snow per hour, it ensures that train operations continue without disruption. Featuring high-speed transportation capabilities, it efficiently clears tracks in a single pass. Its robust construction and powerful rotary blades allow it to tackle deep snow drifts with ease. A critical machine for maintaining railway infrastructure, the HB1000. "100S guarantees smooth and safe transit throughout winter." Despite its vintage design, the Sicard snowblower remains a powerful force in winter road maintenance. Used in Ottawa, Ontario, this classic machine is powered by a Detroit diesel engine, making it highly effective at clearing heavy snow. Once loaders and graders push snow into piles, the Sicard quickly blows it into trucks for removal. Its durability and precision demonstrate how older technology can still handle modern snow clearing demands. This reliable snowblower continues to play a vital role in keeping roads safe. Proving that well-built machinery stands the test of time. Built for heavy-duty snow removal, the Centric snowblower is a versatile and high-powered machine designed for demanding conditions. Its strong chassis and powerful engine allow it to handle deep snow effortlessly. The high-performance auger and blower system effectively break down and disperse snow, clearing roads, parking lots, and pathways with precision. Whether dealing with compacted ice or fresh snowfall, this machine ensures efficient operation. With its adaptability and strength, the Centric snowblower is a reliable choice for municipalities, businesses, and property owners. The heavy-duty chipper is a powerful tool designed for large-scale wood processing. Equipped with an industrial-grade motor and reinforced blades, it quickly reduces logs and branches into fine wood chips. Its automatic feed system allows for continuous operation, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. Ideal for forestry work, land clearing, and roadside maintenance. This chipper effortlessly handles tough materials, including stumps and dense vegetation. Its sturdy frame ensures durability. Making it a long-lasting investment for professionals who require a reliable, high-output machine for wood waste management. The Late Wolf H2 Motion represents the future of eco-friendly snow grooming. This groundbreaking hydrogen-powered snow groomer features an electric motor powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, delivering an impressive 544 horsepower, 400 kilowatts, with zero carbon dioxide emissions. Combining sustainability with power, it offers the same high performance as traditional models while reducing environmental impact. As resorts look for greener solutions, the Late Wolf H2 Motion sets new standards in energy efficiency and winter trail maintenance. An innovative step forward in snow technology, it redefines what's possible for winter operations. The Stair S14 tractor is built for heavy-duty earth-moving, making it a standout in construction and mining operations. With a massive 500 horsepower engine, it moves up to 494 cubic feet of material in just 15 seconds, a speed 3 times faster than traditional excavators. Its scraper bucket is designed for efficiency, reducing time and effort in large-scale projects. The advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth operation, maximizing productivity while minimizing fuel consumption. Whether leveling ground, clearing debris, or preparing foundations, this machine outperforms conventional earth-moving equipment. Operating in wetlands, coastal areas, and shallow waters is no challenge for the big float amphibious excavator. Featuring adjustable width pontoons, it offers enhanced buoyancy and stability, preventing sinking in muddy terrain. Its telescopic bucket allows for deep excavation and dredging, effectively removing sediment. A high-powered hydraulic system transfers material efficiently, making it a top choice for environmental restoration and land reclamation. With its ability to navigate challenging conditions, this excavator is essential for projects involving waterlogged areas, ensuring smooth operations where standard machines would struggle. Agriculture becomes more efficient with the John Deere 8R and Samson Gullipass PG2, a high-powered combination for fertilization. The 8R tractor provides exceptional power, while the PG2 slurry tanker, equipped with a 118-foot boom, spreads liquid fertilizer over vast fields in a single pass. This innovative system reduces manual labor, enhances soil absorption, and maximizes yield. Designed to optimize farm operations, it saves time and resources while maintaining sustainability. For large-scale farming, this DEW is an indispensable asset for improving productivity. Winter road maintenance reaches a new level with the Vama's SB4504, a high-performance snowblower designed to tackle extreme conditions. Boasting a 450 horsepower engine and a 15-foot wide clearing path, it removes up to 5,000 tons of snow per hour. Its two-stage turbine system ensures efficiency, throwing snow far from roadways to prevent buildup. With its ability to clear highways, runways, and public spaces quickly, this machine ensures safe travel during heavy snowfall. Engineered for maximum power and reliability, it stands as one of the best in snow removal technology. The Vlex 20 combined stroke robot from Valor is a cutting-edge solution for shunting operations, capable of moving freight wagons up to 600 tons. It is also ideal for maneuvering in metro and streetcar depots. This 100% electric robot boasts an impressive 96% efficiency, powered by 4 individually controlled wheel hub motors, generating up to 4,000 Newton meters of peak torque. With advanced multi-disc brakes and a clean drive concept, the Vlex 20 ensures precise control and optimal power transmission across both road and rail applications, making it a key player in modern rail logistics. The Encon Sweeper is a versatile attachment designed for year-round maintenance. In winter, it clears snow from sidewalks, rooftops, and rail junctions. While in warmer months, it efficiently removes gravel, dirt, and debris. Its hydraulic motor-driven brushes operate with adjustable speed, providing precise cleaning performance. Compatible with EC Oil Auto's automatic connection system, it allows for seamless attachment changes without the operator leaving the cab, with easy maintenance and quick brush replacements. This sweeper enhances efficiency for urban and industrial cleaning tasks. The Ditch Witch 8120 is an all-terrain drilling powerhouse, engineered for the most challenging underground projects. Delivering 120,000 pounds of pulling power and 15,500 foot-pounds of torque, it surpasses previous models with 50% more internal torque. Its 280 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 engine ensures high performance while reducing environmental impact. Designed to drill through tough soils and rock formations, this machine expands the scope of utility installations and infrastructure projects. With its advanced features and rugged durability, the AT120 redefines efficiency and reliability in the drilling industry. Keeping shipping lanes open during harsh winter months is critical, and the Portum Icebreaker makes that possible. Designed with a reinforced hull and powerful ice-cutting tools, it clears thick ice to ensure the continuous movement of vessels, essential for trade and economic stability in frozen regions. This icebreaker ensures that ports remain fully operational despite extreme weather. Its advanced navigation system allows for precise maneuvering, making it one of the most reliable icebreakers in the industry. The Flexi Finger Quicker Picker is an innovative stone and debris removal tool that attaches to various loaders and forklifts. Designed with a universal quick release plate, it efficiently gathers larger debris while allowing smaller particles to pass through. Its hydraulic rotation system enhances precision, making it perfect for agriculture, landscaping, and construction. By minimizing soil loss and increasing efficiency, this machine streamlines field and worksite maintenance. Its durable construction and easy adaptability make it a must-have tool for improving land management and debris removal operations. Monster mining draglines are among the most powerful excavation machines in America, moving over 100,000 cubic yards of material daily. These massive machines use precision bucket movements to shift enormous loads of earth, making large-scale mining operations highly efficient. Despite their size, these draglines operate with remarkable control. Ensuring minimal waste while maximizing productivity. Their raw power and technical sophistication allow them to reshape landscapes with ease, proving their importance in modern mining. By combining strength and finesse, these machines optimize extraction processes, helping to meet the industry's growing demands. The Ditch Witch 8120 is the world's most powerful all-terrain drill, built to handle extreme underground projects. It delivers 120,000 pounds of pulling force and 15,500 foot-pounds of torque, offering 50% more internal torque than previous models. Its 280 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 engine maximizes performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. Designed to drill through compact soils and rock formations, the AT120 expands the possibilities for utility installations and infrastructure projects. With its combination of strength and precision, this machine is redefining the drilling industry. The Husky Emotion Snow Groomer is revolutionizing winter trail maintenance with its fully electric design, producing zero emissions. It generates 245 horsepower and delivers 1,000 foot-pounds of torque instantly. Its Nordic liner system and twin-track mounting plates create perfectly smooth, long-lasting off-road trails. Now in series production, the Husky Emotion combines efficiency with sustainability, ensuring high performance without harming the environment. With its silent operation and low maintenance requirements, this machine represents the future of snow grooving technology. Built for high-performance material handling, the MDS 5034 Schwing is a game-changer in construction. Powered by a 280 horsepower engine, it easily transports up to 10 tons of cargo. Its precise control system enhances accuracy on-site, while its rugged frame ensures durability in harsh conditions. Whether hauling materials or navigating tough terrain, this machine boosts efficiency in heavy-duty projects. Its combination of power and reliability makes it a valuable asset for large-scale construction operations. The Kobelco SK135 SRD is a powerhouse in car recycling, designed to break down vehicles with precision and speed. Weighing 135 tons, it features a manipulator arm capable of handling various vehicle components, from plastic panels to metal frames and worn-out engines. This machine efficiently reduces entire vehicles into manageable scrap, streamlining the recycling process, whether operating in scrapyards or in industrial recycling centers. The SK135 SRD ensures that dismantling old cars is faster and more effective, helping to maximize material recovery while reducing environmental waste. The Model N988 loader is built for lifting and transporting heavy materials like marble and stone, capable of lifting up to 20 tons. This loader offers a blend of power and precision, ensuring smooth operation even under extreme conditions. Designed for quarrying and large-scale material processing. Its advanced hydraulics and durable frame make it a go-to machine for handling high-capacity loads. Equipped with modern control systems, it enhances efficiency and safety. Making material handling tasks faster and more reliable in demanding industrial environments. Moving massive ship components is no easy feat, but Color Spedition handles the challenge with expert precision. The transport of the 223-foot-long 400-ton MS Ewing vessel required heavy-duty logistics, including specialized low-bed trucks and powerful forklifts. Despite its enormous size, the ship was maneuvered with care along highways and narrow roads. Demonstrating Kubler-Spedition's expertise in handling oversized loads. Their ability to execute complex transport operations ensures the safe and efficient movement of massive structures, making them a trusted name in the industry. The Komatsu D375A8 dozer is designed for extreme earth-moving tasks, making it a top choice in mining and construction. With its powerful engine and reinforced blade, it pushes through the toughest terrains with ease. Its ergonomic cab reduces noise and vibration, providing a more comfortable experience for operators working long shifts. Built to withstand the harshest conditions, this dozer combines raw strength with intelligent engineering, ensuring maximum efficiency on demanding job sites. The TA336E, equipped with hydraulic shears, makes large-scale demolition safer and more efficient. Acting like massive steel jaws, the shears cut through concrete and metal structures with precision, ensuring controlled deconstruction. This approach prevents uncontrolled collapses and allows for organized material separation. Whether dismantling industrial buildings, bridges, or outdated infrastructure, the TA336E streamlines the demolition process, reducing risk while optimizing efficiency. Its ability to handle tough materials with ease makes it a critical tool for modern demolition projects. The Rotten Forestry Assistant is a compact yet powerful machine, designed for efficient tree handling in difficult-to-reach areas. Its durable wheels provide superior mobility, while its telescopic boom and flexible cutting heads ensure precise tree harvesting from the ground. Engineered for resilience, this forestry assistant excels in rugged environments. Making logging and land clearing operations smoother. Its operator-friendly controls and versatile attachments help maximize efficiency, while maintaining environmental sustainability. The DT30PM Vidyas is a dual-section, all-terrain tracked vehicle built to navigate extreme conditions. Designed for military and industrial transport, it moves personnel, heavy equipment, and supplies through the harshest terrains without requiring prior route preparation, with an armored crew compartment and a torsion bar suspension system. This vehicle offers unmatched durability. Its four wide rubber fabric belt tracks, reinforced with steel cross members, provide superior traction across ice, sand, and marshy ground. Whether navigating Arctic tundras or unstable landscapes, the Vidyas ensures reliable transport where other vehicles fail. Land-based ladder dredgers play a crucial role in deepening waterways and ensuring safe navigation routes. Equipped with ladder mechanisms and large buckets, Handling up to 70 cubic feet per load, they can process an impressive 1,100 pounds of material per hour. Operating at depths of up to 33 feet and powered by a 300 horsepower engine. These dredgers utilize 2,900 psi, 200 bar, of operational pressure to remove sediment efficiently. Their high-performance design makes them indispensable for maritime and civil engineering projects, shaping landscapes and maintaining navigable waterways. The K67H from CIFA is a high-performance concrete pump, engineered for large-scale construction projects. Capable of pumping concrete up to 220 feet high and delivering 210 cubic yards per hour. This machine drastically improves efficiency on high-rise builds. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth and consistent concrete flow, reducing material waste while enhancing structural integrity. With its impressive reach and reliability, the K67H is an essential asset on modern construction sites, allowing projects to progress with speed and precision. The Stryker Volterra ARFF is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV, designed to revolutionize airport firefighting with sustainable technology. By combining battery power with traditional mechanical systems, it enhances both driving and pumping performance while minimizing fuel consumption and emissions. Featuring Oshkosh Corporation's patented hybrid electric drivetrain, this vehicle can operate with zero emissions when powered by battery, built on the trusted Stryker ARFF platform. The Volterra ensures seamless integration into existing airport fleets, while supporting eco-friendly emergency response operations. Designed for precision and stability, the compact electric lifting system provides a reliable solution for lifting loads up to 1 ton. With a reach of 20 feet, operators can set their desired height via a control panel and execute lifts with ease, featuring built-in safety mechanisms to prevent accidental falls. This system enhances workplace safety while optimizing lifting efficiency, whether used in warehouses, industrial sites, or construction projects. This lifting system ensures controlled, secure elevation of heavy loads with minimal effort. The Ferret off-road vehicle is built to conquer any terrain with unparalleled performance. Originally based on the 1959 British reconnaissance armored car, this modified version features 6 massive Toyo open country tires mounted on specialized wheels. 2 of these wheels are powered by internally controlled hydraulic motors, while the Keen shock suspension allows the vehicle to navigate obstacles with ease. Under the hood, a robust Chevrolet Ellis engine delivers exceptional power, whether traversing deserts, forests, or extreme landscapes. The Ferret showcases superior off-road capability and innovative engineering. A marvel of modern marine engineering, the Sleipnir is the world's largest semi-submersible crane vessel, capable of lifting up to 20,000 tons. Stretching 721 feet in length and 344 feet in width, this massive vessel is an essential asset for offshore construction projects. Whether lifting oil platforms, conducting deep-sea installations, or handling large infrastructure components, Sleipnir sets new standards in precision and efficiency. Its advanced crane technology and immense lifting capacity make it a game-changer in maritime heavy lifting operations. The Printh Panther T14R is a highly maneuverable rotating transporter featuring a 360 degrees rotating cab and dump body. Designed for maximum mobility, its low ground pressure allows it to operate efficiently on soft, unstable terrains, making it ideal for forestry, remote construction, and oilfield applications. The reinforced Hardock steel dump body ensures long-term durability, while its powerful drivetrain provides exceptional torque. Whether tackling rough terrain or hauling materials in sensitive environments, the Panther T14R delivers reliable and efficient performance. The Fractum Hammer Model 100, mounted on a Volvo 380 excavator, redefines rock breaking technology. Unlike conventional hammers that penetrate material, the Fractum delivers massive impact energy that shatters rock on contact, eliminating the need for secondary crushing. This method enhances efficiency by allowing direct on-site processing, reducing downtime and transportation costs, with precision strikes in a high-energy impact system. The Fractum hammer is a safer and more environmentally friendly alternative for quarrying, mining, and demolition operations. The Etnir Trip Spreader is a specialized machine designed for road construction, ensuring precise gravel and aggregate distribution. By creating an even foundation before asphalt application, it enhances road durability and smoothness. Featuring high-capacity spread mechanisms and user-friendly controls, this machine optimizes efficiency in large-scale resurfacing and infrastructure projects. Its ability to distribute materials consistently across wide sections of roadways makes it an essential asset in highway construction and maintenance, reducing labor time while improving pavement quality. The Centurion Tire Trailer is a heavy-duty transport solution designed to move large batches of tires efficiently and securely. Engineered for industrial-scale logistics, it features a robust construction with optimized space utilization, making it an essential tool for production facilities and distribution centers. Built for stability and high-capacity transport, this trailer ensures safe and effective movement of oversized loads, with its durable design and superior load-bearing capacity. The Centurion Tire Trailer streamlines tire transportation for manufacturers and logistics companies. Transporting massive wind turbine blades requires precision and stability, and the advanced blade transportation system delivers both. Utilizing a 2-axle Jeep cart and a 4-axle trailer, it ensures safe and secure movement of these large components. This system enhances stability, reducing risks during transit while offering better maneuverability. With its innovative design, it streamlines logistics for renewable energy projects, making the movement of oversized loads both safe and efficient. The Trail King Cart is a high-capacity transport system designed for moving oversized loads with precision. Featuring a steerable 13-axle setup and an optional Jeep dolly, it offers exceptional maneuverability for extreme cargo transport. Its wireless manual operation and automatic leveling system ensure smooth and controlled movement. Even under heavy loads, built for efficiency in transporting industrial components, wind turbine blades, and construction materials, the Trail King Cart is an indispensable asset for large-scale logistics operations. The BMM 410 is a fully automatic mobile clay brick-making machine, revolutionizing the construction industry with its flexibility and efficiency. Manufactured by SNPC Machines India, this portable system allows brick production on-site using raw materials like clay, mud, or clay fly ash mixture. Its ability to operate anywhere makes it ideal for large-scale and remote construction projects, with automated features and rapid output. The BMN 410 significantly reduces labor costs and production time, making brick manufacturing more accessible and sustainable. The BRAC P22. The seeder is a fully mechanized forestry machine designed for precise seeding across various terrains. Capable of operating on both flat and sloped landscapes, it automates the entire planting process, making it ideal for reforestation and afforestation efforts. Equipped with optional irrigation and fertilizer systems, it optimizes seed growth and enhances survival rates. The double linkage mechanism ensures accurate seed placement while adapting to ground contours, maximizing efficiency. This innovative seeder is a crucial tool for sustainable forest management and large-scale planting operations. Designed for precision forestry work, the Sacco Say 323T Feller Buncher is equipped with a powerful engine and advanced cutting technology. Its intelligent SAT head trims knots and cuts logs efficiently, minimizing waste and increasing productivity. The automated processes and intuitive controls make it ideal for large-scale logging operations, built for rugged environments. This machine ensures high-speed timber processing while maintaining sustainable harvesting practices, whether working in dense forests or commercial logging sites. The SES-8323T maximizes efficiency and output. The Trail King cart is a highly adaptable heavy transport solution, offering multiple configurations to meet varying needs, featuring a snobble configuration, a steerable 13-axle setup, and a Jeep dolly option. It delivers superior maneuverability for transporting oversized loads. Its wireless manual operation and automatic leveling system enhance control, self-centering after adjustments for precise positioning. With improved steering angles and reduced manual effort, the Trail King cart is built for efficiency in heavy-duty logistics, making large load transportation smoother and safer. The GU70 chainsaw is an industry-leading machine for tunnel and cave excavation, built for precision cutting in hard stone and marble. With a 360 degrees rotating boom and a front-mounted sling, it enables vertical and horizontal cuts with ease. Its advanced track system allows for stable movement. While radio controls ensure single-user operation, capable of cutting depths up to 125 inches. This chainsaw adapts to specialized excavation tasks. Providing versatility and reliability for demanding underground projects. The Suoco S500 track carrier, paired with the Mar-Peat Ditcher OJK 1.3, offers a cutting-edge solution for peat bog management. The S500's superior maneuverability and durability make it ideal for working in challenging environments, while the Mar-Peat Ditcher effectively throws peat far from the ditch, ensuring even distribution. Designed for high efficiency. This system clears ditches while maintaining the integrity of the land. With its ability to handle soft terrain without sinking, the Suoco S500 is an essential tool for improving drainage. Increasing productivity and optimizing land use in peat-rich areas. The Dutchman tree spade is a must-have tool for landscapers and arborists, offering precision and speed for transplanting trees. Its 3 curved blades dig into the soil seamlessly, enclosing the root ball with minimal disruption. This preserves root health and ensures successful replanting. With its hydraulic control system, operation is smooth and efficient, allowing for quick and safe transfers. Designed for large-scale tree-moving projects, this machine is built for long-term durability. Whether relocating young saplings or mature trees, it simplifies the process while protecting the natural environment. The Mary Crusher mulcher is an essential tool for managing winter road conditions. It breaks down compacted snow and ice, improving traction. And making roads safer to navigate. With its hydraulic-powered system, this mulcher effectively grinds icy surfaces into manageable material, preventing dangerous conditions. Whether used for road maintenance or off-road paths, the Mary Crusher mulcher transforms winter obstacles into routine tasks. Its durable design ensures consistent performance, even in the harshest climates, making it a key tool for winter safety.
If you're amazed by the raw power of heavy machinery and groundbreaking engineering, smash that subscribe button. Join the Giant Tech as we uncover more incredible industrial giants and mind-blowing innovations. Drop a comment about your favorite machine below. Stay powered up.